Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having a fantastic conversation ahead with Ricky and Todd. Ricky, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Sure. Yes. Well, my name is Ricky Gutierrez. I work at Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners, an international tax accounting and legal firm here located in Barcelona, Spain. And well, we're mostly focused on
Okay.
international clients, also Spanish clients. And we'll be here to kind of answer most of your questions related to taxation in Spain and also a little bit in the US.
Fantastic. And Todd?
Hi, everyone. My name is Todd Cowan. I am a certified financial planner and executive director at London and Capital. We are a UK headquartered wealth management firm with a unique regulatory approval that spans the US with the SEC, the UK with the FCA, and the Spanish financial regulator, the CNMV, allowing us to provide regulated advice truly cross-border. And as of 4 months ago, I now live right down the street from Ricky in Barcelona, Spain.
Wonderful. Our trust recognized in Spain.
Unfortunately, not. It's not a tax figure that it's recognized here in Spain. Normally, whenever we have people coming with trust from the US, well, basically any Anglo-Saxon jurisdiction that recognize trust. But for example, if you go to Spain, Italy, all these jurisdictions, we do not recognize trust. Basically, everything goes, and it's the person that is taxed, it goes right to the main beneficiaries of the trust. If normally there are X amount of assets in terms of real estate or bank accounts, all that stuff, then each part would be taxed individually to the beneficiaries. Obviously, if in the trust, the beneficiaries are like 50-50, or then we will need to go by the percentages. Each asset is taxed individually. No, it's unfortunate because it's a figure that it's used quite often in the US, and I know it's very beneficial for US taxpayers. But we normally tell people that whenever coming to Spain, if they have trust, it is better to do some tax planning and maybe trying to find some other solutions so you don't have to dissolve the trust or maybe adding this into companies. That's why we always recommend doing some tax planning if you have a big amount of assets inside a trust.
Ricky, I want to echo that sentiment. It's so important to do pre-immigration tax planning before arriving into Spain. It's not just having structures like a trust that are inconsistent. Remember, as you pointed out, a trust is a creature of common law. Anglo-Saxon countries, the big English-speaking countries, or the former British colonies, and most of the world are actually civil law jurisdictions. So most of the world doesn't recognize trust, at least in the way it's constructed in the Anglo-Saxon world. There are some civil law jurisdictions that have signed the Hague Convention on trusts, like Italy next door, or Switzerland or Luxembourg. But for the most part, the answer is going to be no. You really need to get the planning done in advance. And another thing is if you have structures that don't take into consideration the fact that the EU and Spain has a list of, let's say, blacklisted jurisdictions or non-cooperative jurisdictions. It will be certain tax havens that are commonly used in US structures, but they may put you into an uncomfortable situation from a Spain point of view. Again, just to hammer home that point from Ricky, if possible, before you move to Spain, get advice rather than landing in Spain and opening up a whole Pandora's box of trouble for yourself. If someone wants to reach out to you and consult with you, what's the best way to do so?
You can either reach out to me on LinkedIn or you can reach out to me via my email address at Todd, Todd, .cowan at London and Capital, all spelled out, .com. We also have a website, London and Capital, and the and is very important. Make sure you do not forget the and or the ampersand in our name, because there is another institution out there that has some financial, unrelated to us, that has some financial troubles. And you want to make sure it's London and Capital, and you'll be able to find it.
Fantastic, thank you. And Ricky?
In terms of myself, you can also find me on LinkedIn, and also you can send me an email directly. My email is ricky@gpasoc.com. Ricky, it's RICKY. And you can also find me on our website. We do have a website with Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners in Barcelona. So you can send an email to our website. You can send a consultation to our website, and obviously me and my team will be able to reach out to you, and hopefully we'll be able to help you with any issues that you might have.
Thank you very much. And my name is Darren Joseph, htj.tax, and we'll see you next time.